Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Colin from Grim Builders. We just wanted to walk you through our latest project in Ledyard, Connecticut. We just finished up a garage build behind us. We're also going to let our client walk you through their experience with working with Grim Builders and how we met their expectations. So yeah, stay tuned and find out more.
I'm David Eichelberg. Purchased my home here in 2019, right before COVID hit, which was lucky for me. Didn't have a garage, small house, a lot of projects. Luckily, I was able to get a great contractor to get my garage done. I first discovered Grim Builders really probably in 2020 or early 2021. So basically, I was looking for a contractor, and after I went and made hundreds of calls, I finally found Grim Builders. They were able to help me out. I was hoping for a very good build. I had high expectations. He met all those expectations, so I gave him high expectations, and he really pulled through. I chose Grim Builders just because it was hard to get a hold of people during COVID. Contractors were listed crazy far out, like years even. And then when I found Grim Builders, I was like, I know him. He's a good guy, good business. And so I decided to put my trust in him, and he was able to meet my deadline. My favorite thing is the communication. He really does communicate every step of the process. He's always available for phone calls or text messages to make sure your thoughts and concerns are always at the forefront. And so those things always being able to be reached, never gone for weeks on end without being able to reply. So it's really good. My experience has been great. I've had it finished for a couple weeks now, and I'm just starting to put in new space. I'm looking to put new tools on the wall and where I'm going to put all my little fun toys out here, like the tractor and all my yard trimming equipment. So it's really fun using the garage doors finally without having a garage for the last like 6 years of my life. So it's a nice so far. It exceeded my expectations just by, again, the level of effort put in. Bringing a dumpster in to pick up every last piece that was, every scrap piece. It's cleaning the walls to be done with. It's doing the nail sleep at the end. You're just doing all the small things that a lot of people might not do. I would recommend the services to anyone just because I just know he's done a lot of good pieces so far. While he was working on my house, he also had several other job sites going on as well. And not only was he able to juggle mine on my timetable, he was able to do all these other projects, and he's posting them online, and he's making really good work out there. So just seeing that large scope in just the time that I've worked with him is the reason why I tell other people to get work done. Also, another family member of mine had some work done, and he loved it that way as well. So that's just another reason. One thing that surprised me was really my image put to life. Mine wasn't a usual build. I wanted my side door put in a specific spot so it lined up with the decking that went up to my back door. I wanted a smaller garage door so I can use my tractor, so I don't have to do what my dad does and have to pull out both cars just to get his tractor out. So I had a specific design. I had windows, so I had all these specific spots that I wanted pieces, and each piece in the exact spot as I wanted it to be. The contract and payment experience was very thorough. He didn't just have, this is how much you owe and we'll divide it into 7 payments and then you'll pay that much. It was by section. So when he had to go buy the lumber, it was like, he had part number one, rough frame, part number two, and it wasn't just the same price. It was how much that kind of section where it was priced at. It depended on what vendors came in. So if a framer came in one day and then a roofer came in the next day, it was divided into those payments. So not every payment was equal, but it was on a good, timely schedule. So I knew what I was paying for. I knew that, one payment was going towards this specific piece. So it really helped me visualize exactly how much money I'm spending on each part of the build. I think the service was worth the initial cost. Obviously with COVID, the price of wood is still high. So it was higher than I had initial estimates for when I was first looking at this job in 2019. But again, you can't get away from that. Who knows when the price of wood's gonna go back down. But the price is worth it because it's a good job. It's a clean job site after. They cleaned up really well around the house with all the dirt tracks and all the holes that were left by the heavy machinery. And it just makes it look good on the outside and on the inside. We did go for more expensive options, which is fine. I think we originally agreed on not having windows on the garage doors, but then they came with windows on the garage doors, and then when we actually got them, I actually really preferred them. So I didn't really know what I was missing. Again, I took the plans of my parents' garage, which I'm always used to. That's how I grew up in. I was like, I just want this because I'm used to this. And so when I saw things that I'm like, wow, this looks a lot better than I anticipated, I actually really like these changes. And the windows itself too, the windows look great. So the pieces that we kind of splurged on to get a better quality, I'm really happy with. And even though that may not have been in the original plan, but as we kind of adapt with my preferences, it really came out to be really nice. One thing you want to know about Grim Builders is that it really doesn't matter the time. He will always kind of fit his schedule onto yours. There's been days where he's met me here early in the morning when a contractor shows up, or he's met me here later at night because I work most days. So meeting him at 8 in the morning or meeting him at 5 at night or 7 at night, he's really flexible on doing that because I just can't take time off of work to come meet him during normal job hours. So his flexibility is really helpful. One thing I would change if I could, I'd probably want to go with bigger garage doors in case I wanted to ever buy a huge truck or another huge vehicle. 7 feet is great. I do, because I have a car, I have a Honda Accord. So right now I didn't think about it. But in the future, if I wanted to get, like a 9-foot truck, which I don't think I ever will, so it shouldn't be a problem, that would be the one change. But then again, you don't see that often. Nothing really comes to mind about how they could improve my experience. Everything went pretty well. Saying the night, even like the week before, hey, the electrician's going to be here within these 3 days. And then the night before they'd come, he'd say, hey, they're definitely coming tomorrow. And they'd be able to get work done. And then if it rained and they couldn't be working as much because we do get a lot of rain here, then they say, hey, they have to take a half day. They'll be back tomorrow or the next dry day to finish the job. So that was always super helpful. Great with how the timing of when it turned out. But it did, like some pieces on my end took a little bit more time. Permits took some time. And so I wouldn't really put that on the company themselves, but the whole process as a whole took time. Just due to COVID, due to wood not being available at a time, having longer than usual order times. So just those kind of things would be nice. But again, we're living in a time where it's hard to get objects. The wiring is great. I know you can't see it here, but all the wiring is at the same level the whole way through. If you put a level on it, it'd be perfect in every little spot they have. The wiring's hidden very well. Nothing's hanging. It's just great. The wiring on the outside from the main house to the garage, because it's a detached garage, looks great. The connections look awesome. So it's a very clean job, and I'm hoping to get a lot of good years of use out of this, and hopefully my car can stay nice and dry.
So if you need help with a project, residential, commercial, new construction, remodel, give us a call. I'm sure we can help you out and walk you through our process and what you can expect the next steps, any outside consultants you might need. We can take care of you and get you on your way. You can reach us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. You can find us on our website at www.grimbuilders.com, and to find more of our portfolio and what we do. And yeah, feel free to reach out with any questions, and we'd be more than happy to guide you. Alrighty, stay well.